Scattered showers and thunderstorms will continue for the rest of the afternoon. A couple of those could become strong to severe. The Storm Prediction Center has put us under a Category 1 for severe weather. So on the lowest end, don't think a lot will develop here in the form of severe storms, but a couple could produce damaging winds and the possibility of some larger hail. Above and beyond that, we're looking at torrential downpours with some of these, and it's not just today. It lasts all the way through Friday, where we'll start to dry out as we head into the weekend.